Unit 9 Inheritance, Topic 9.1 Creating Superclasses and Subclasses. In this lesson, we will discuss what inheritance is and how it can be used to group common attributes and behaviors into superclasses and subclasses. We will be discussing how to store and share attributes and behaviors across classes. When we think of inheritance as humans, we might think of the biological characteristics that a child inherits or receives from their parents. In Java, we use inheritance to build a hierarchy of classes that have common characteristics. I recommend watching this video by PopFizz. A class hierarchy can be developed by putting common attributes and behaviors of related classes into a single class called a superclass. Here's an example of a hierarchy. What common characteristics do musicians, comedians, and dancers have? How are they uniquely different? Musicians, comedians, and dancers all have similar attributes. They have their names, age, hometowns, and agents. They also have their unique attributes and behaviors related to their specific scenario. Here's another hierarchy example. What common characteristics do scooters, bicycles, and cars share? How are they uniquely different? Parent classes or superclasses have attributes and behaviors that can be inherited or accessed by child classes or subclasses. Classes that extend a superclass, called subclasses, can draw upon the existing attributes and behaviors of the superclass without repeating these in the code. This minimizes repetition, making a program more efficient. Using this example, what might the UML diagrams for the superclass vehicle and the subclass bicycle look like? Take a look at the class headers. What do you notice? How are they similar? How are they different? Extending a subclass from a superclass creates an is-a relationship from the subclass to the superclass. Using this example, we can say that a scooter is a vehicle, a bicycle is a vehicle, and a car is a vehicle. The keyword extends is used to establish an inheritance relationship between a subclass and a superclass. A class can extend only one superclass. The keyword extends gives subclasses access to its superclass's attributes and behaviors. Why use inheritance in Java? Code reusability. Higher level classes can be used over and over again in many situations. It prevents repeating code. Common characteristics are in one location rather than many. It improves readability and organization. Having an organized structure of your classes and objects allows for greater readability and cohesion. Ease of maintenance. Changing a general behavior in one place rather than many saves time and effort. 9.1 daily videos 1 and 2 cover the is-a relationships in more detail.